What's going on, family? It's Dwight from Clark's Firearm Training and Safety. As you can see, I got the family with me. We're about to check out this MRE menu 22, the beef goulash. Let's see what we have in the packaging. Alright, first we have the beef goulash. Here's the nutrition facts for the beef goulash. Can you guys see that? The beef goulash nutrition facts. Next, we have applesauce. Next, we have patriotic sugar cookies. Next, our bag of condiments. What's so funny, man? Next, we have chunky peanut butter. We have crackers. And the most important part, we have milk chocolate beverage. We also have strawberry jam, a gray spoon, and a heating pad to heat up the beef goulash. Alright, first let's start with what's in the condiment bag.
What's in the condiment bag?
What's in there?
It's beverage, base, cranberry, grape,
Gum.
and
We don't know. Let's open it.
okay. So this is
Salt and a towelette, the gum, and the cranberry grape beverage.
smells like something.
Oh, this might be just a napkin. Yeah, this is just a napkin. So that's what's in the condiment bag. Okay.
And
So now we're going to make the milk chocolate beverage. So there is a line. We're going to fill it up to the line. Then we're going to get my assistant to shake it up.
You pouring slow to be on the battlefield. Let me see a little. Alright, you can shake it up.
How do you shake?
Shake it up. Let's
Just hold
shake
the
it.
top and then shake. Shake faster.
Let me see. Alright, now you gotta let it sit for 30 minutes.
30 minutes?
That's what it said on here. Alright, so what y'all want to taste first?
the gum,
Save the gum for last.
the crackers.
Alright, so let's open up the crackers. What kind of... You want to use the peanut butter on the crackers or the strawberry jam? Or try both?
Both.
Let's try both. Let's get everyone's real life. Let's break this cracker in fours.
So all of us can try it.
Yeah, all of us are gonna try it.
Alright, here's the strawberry jam.
How's a cracker taste without the jam?
Good.
You want jam or peanut butter?
Taste it without the jam.
I want only jam. Actually, no, I want both.
How's a cracker taste?
Good.
Good.
Tastes like a saltine cracker. That's pretty good. Hold on, don't eat it yet.
I want both. Chunky peanut butter.
This is the chunky peanut butter. Mix it.
I don't know if I want the peanut butter, bro. Hold on, don't eat it yet.
You want jam or peanut butter?
Give me both. Let's try both with the kids. Show them again, D. That's the peanut butter and the jelly. You show them, little D? That's the peanut butter and the jelly. Alright. Everybody, y'all ready? Go ahead and try it.
Cheers.
Cheers. Hurry up and eat it. Alright, let's go around the table. Lil D, how do you like it? You give it 2 thumbs up? Davion, how do you like it? It was good? 1 thumb up or 2 thumbs up?
2.
2 thumbs up? Tanisha, how do you like it? I guess I'm the only one being honest. That was trash, bro.
There was nothing wrong with
The
it.
strawberry jelly was cool, or whatever kind of jelly that was. The peanut butter didn't taste good to me. That's just me.
It is.
I guess I don't like peanut butter no more. Alright.
Alright, next we're going to try
The pair of sugar cookies.
or the applesauce.
Save the sugar cookies for last.
Alright, we're going to do the applesauce.
So, this is for last.
Alright.
No, over here.
So then we're going to go around and just squirt it in our...
In our hands.
No.
Squirt it in your mouth. Pause. It'll come out like juice. No, you
Nice.
try it.
That was good.
Let's try it.
Good.
Let's
I
go.
have to be honest, it's one thumbs up.
1 thumbs up. Why? What didn't you like about
Too watery.
Yeah,
it? Okay.
it was liquidy.
Davion, what do you think?
It was good.
I thought it was pretty good too. I would eat this on a regular. Do they sell this? That was pretty good. What's next?
I'll eat it.
I thought you said it was too watery.
Kinda.
So why
Alright,
you
the
still
goulash.
eating it?
What do we do with the goulash?
Alright, so the goulash, let me see. The goulash comes in this packaging right here. And what we could do is heat it up in this bag. But that's not what we're going to do. We're going to eat this goulash cold the way it is. So I'm about to open it up. Open that spoon. Open that spoon. Put the applesauce down. Let me give you guys, before I let the family see this, I'm going to let the camera see what this goulash looks like. I pray the camera can pick this up.
Oh no.
That's what the goulash looks like.
Oh no.
Alright? Let's give it the family thanks. Davion, you're first. Real reactions. I'm from Virginia. I don't need a spoon. Come on, man. Eat it.
Eat it.
Don't spit it back in. Eat. You gotta eat a whole
I ate
spoonful.
it.
Alright, save your thoughts.
Just like that.
Save your thoughts. Lil D, your turn. Instructor Tanisha, finish the meal. Lil D. Lil D took a nice spoonful. Now it's my turn.
That's
Don't give your thoughts yet. Oh, wow. Oh, this looks pretty good.
You just give your thoughts.
Here's my spoon.
That's a big
Let's see what it tastes like. Mm.
When's it gonna be our thoughts?
Dave, Lil D, give your thought.
2 thumbs up. 5 stars.
Boy, this little boy must have had a beer.
Good.
Tanisha, your thoughts? Instructor
Good.
Tanisha.
It tastes like, what's those wieners in a can?
Oh no.
Oh no, them Jones fire. Don't disrespect those can wieners.
Yeah.
So 2 thumbs down.
Davion, what is your thoughts?
Is this like that thing you make?
Can't hear you.
What? Is this like something I
Can't
cooked?
hear you. Say it into the camera.
It tastes like something she makes. Like, you know that pot roast? It's like it tastes like that pot roast.
Oh yeah,
Hold
it does look like that.
Hold on, before I get my views. So, Dave, you're saying this goulash that's built to last for 1,000,000 years tastes like something your mom made. Let me get another taste.
She's familiar.
Let me take it back.
Yeah.
Let me take it
Tastes
back.
like
One more taste.
cheese or something.
Mm-hmm.
I need another taste.
Get another taste.
Too good.
I'm gonna get my review. That is 10 thumbs down.
What?
Hold on, I've never tasted like cat food before. Hold on, let me finish. I've never tasted cat food before. I've only smelled it in dog food. But I can only imagine that is exactly what it tastes like. But if the world hit the fan, I'm demolishing that goulash. I don't got nothing to eat. I'm sorry. And it does taste like something you made, beautiful. I mean...
What? I'm not cooking dinner tonight. Y'all gonna be eating this goulash.
All right, let's go to the next item.
Sugar cookies.
What is it?
Patriotic sugar cookies.
Patriotic sugar cookies. Let's give it a taste. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Mine's a bell. Can y'all see that? Mine's a bell.
Mine's a flag.
All right, y'all ready? Eat away.
Ooh.
I couldn't really taste that. Give me that one. I couldn't taste it.
Me either.
I couldn't taste mine. Let's taste it one more time.
Stop.
All right. Lil D, what are your thoughts?
1,000,000 thumbs up.
Okay. Tanisha.
It tastes like perfume.
In the heck? Oh, let's skip her. Davion, what are your thoughts?
It's good.
How many thumbs up?
2.
All right, my thoughts. They're good initially, but I got this weird aftertaste. But I will eat them again. Definitely eat them again. 2 thumbs up.
Wait, where's the milk gonna be going?
Last but not least. Oh, you got the gum.
The gum is all the way last.
All right, last but not least, we got this milk chocolate Coca beverage powder. Let's see what it looks like. Let me open this up, see if I can get you guys a view. Can't really see it, but it looks just like chocolate milk. Davion, do the honors. Drink it. No, you drink it out of the pack. Don't give your thoughts. No thoughts. Lil D, come on, babe.
Don't slow.
All right, my girl. Oh. All right, Lil D, what are your thoughts?
2 thumbs down.
Why?
Because It just tastes like old chocolate milk.
Oh, okay.
Oh, okay.
Like
Tanisha?
old.
Tastes like water with a splash of powder.
Oh yeah, it did.
So both of y'all 2 thumbs down.
Yeah.
Davion, what are your
Wow,
thoughts?
wow, wow.
2 thumbs down. Because I don't like chocolate.
I'm giving it 2 thumbs up, and I don't like chocolate. Tastes like a yoo-hoo to me. The yoo-hoo that we used to drink.
Yoo-hoo is sugarier.
That's true. But overall, what do you guys rank this MRE? 1 out of 10.
If I was in the wilderness and this is the last resort, I would eat everything.
Me too.
How about you, Davion?
If I had to, I would. I wouldn't drink the chocolate milk. I would just drink some lake water or something.
Yeah, me too.
I'm with you on that.
Me too.
The food was pretty good.
Yeah.
Matter of fact, I think I'm about to go through the goulash in the microwave. And yeah, overall, it was a,
Oh yeah, because I'm not cooking dinner, so
I mean, that's
y'all
what your
have-
food tastes like anyway.
But that's what y'all gonna eat.
It was a 9 out of 10 for me. Yeah, this was our first
I'm done.
MRE. Oh, go ahead, let's crack the gum open. Thanks for reminding us. You can do the honors of eating the gum. 1 piece. Give your brother the other piece. How's the gum?
It sounds like bricks.
It's good.
Nice
like
minty,
mint.
minty flavor.
Mm-hmm.
All right, that's good. So overall, I rank this MRE, the beef goulash, a 9 out of 10. What's your ranking?
The whole thing.
The whole thing.
A 6 out of 10.
6. Tanisha, what's your ranking?
7.
Lil D, what's your
I
ranking?
give it a 4 because I didn't like that. I didn't like that. And I didn't like this.
Okay, he's a tough critic. He gives it a 4 out of 10. This is our first one, the beef goulash. Let us know what MRE you want us to try next. We got a bunch of them in, so we're going to be trying a bunch of them. All right, let's go.